Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Rassenti small Paysan here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like this video. And you know what, if you're in a good mood, why not? Just subscribe to the channel. It's gonna be awesome, and it's gonna be, keep me pushing these videos out. So let's get started. This is gonna be a quick one because look at this integral frame lock, titanium. And by the way, just for a second, just check it out. Like this mirror wash blade, you don't see this finish that often. But anyways, T15 is the only thing you're gonna be needing to take this guy apart and just unscrew the only screw that is present right over here, and then take this plastic tool just to pop out the pivot on the other side like so, with the blade open. That's always a good idea. Pivot is out, just pushing the blade out. Done. That is it. That is how easy it is to clean this guy. Then I'm just gonna take some rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth just to clean the bearing tracks in and out. I'm just gonna clean the blade. There's no need to clean anything because this is just brand new from the man himself. And just cleaning these bearings like that. And I'm just gonna use this guy to just clean like that, because this is a frame, this is an integral frame lock, so there's not really any way to access the inside than this. So done, guys. Let's just clean the Zirc pivot collar. By the way, pretty awesome, and we are pretty much good to go. I'm just gonna wipe on the inside as well here. And we are done. Just grab the blade like so, grab your 10 weight nano oil, and we're gonna do like 1, 2, 3 drops here and 1, 2, 3 drops there. So that is done. And then you grab the bearings oriented like in this way and sandwich like that, and that is in like so. Pivot collar is in like this. Really tight tolerances. Wow. So this guy needs to be, here you go, nice. Pivot is gonna be inserted from the back, just because, I mean, not that matters, but it's just like pretty easy to do. So that is in. Then I'm just gonna use a little bit of blue Loctite to keep this pivot staying in place, like so. All right, so this is done. We're gonna just check the blade centering and blade play. There's a little bit, so just gonna tighten the pivot up. No blade play. I'm just gonna use a little bit of 85 weight nano oil for the detent ball, just a micro drop, all right? Nothing too crazy, just like this, and spread around the, on top of the detent ball track, and boom, look at this. Very nice. This is still like brand new knife, so of course needs some break-in period. You can, of course, spidey flick, you can thumb flick, you can just do like that. You can do a slow roll with one thumb. Oh, guys, this is interesting. Here you go. That's a pleasure, guys. Oh yeah, like this guy, like the moment it's gonna be broken in, it's gonna be pretty fantastic. Yeah, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.